and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
These are only rested on the outside, more than rested on the inside.
That's good. See how long they are? That's why we have to use the long ones.
What?
That's why we have to use the long ones.
That's why we have to?
Yes. If you're putting new ones back in, you gotta get the long ones. The small package. You know, if you're taking them all out, yeah, you should probably. Well, I don't know. Are we redoing this?
I wasn't planning on it, just, cutting it and then redoing it. That's my plan. Well, let's see how the rest of those top ones are inside. They're not rusted on the inside. These aren't rusted.
Exactly. Go ahead. I hear you. Go ahead.
Kelowna's new 103.1 Beach Radio. Official radio station. Go and prove it. Biggest summer hits of all time.
Honey?
Yeah.
Just came right off. We just need to re-glue it. This wasn't rusted in here though. I think we just have to redo that.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's the weld's broken. Yeah, just clean this up separately. Clean that off. We'll reglue the top. Let's redo the screws.
Yeah.
Close the door while you're doing this so it doesn't fall apart more.
We pulled the lights out to check the wiring. The vent lid for the fridge is removed for cleaning. We did some resealing around the edge and cleaning to be able to put it back in with new sealant. All the edges where the trim is removed on the camper still needs wire wheeling. The The door rain guard was still in good condition, but it does need paint. All of the top edge of the camper and behind the lights still need wire wheeling and to be prepped for resealing. The door frame cleaned up nicely. Here finally the first rain edge is installed and resealed. With the liquid sealant, it's very important to try and remove any of the air bubbles, because over time the air inside the bubble will expand and it will pop out and you could potentially have a leak. This clip here shows all the bubbles gone after being wiped out. It's all underneath there. Pull it back a bit. I want to make sure it's all sticky in there. Shake it back and forth a few times. There you go. There, good. Now you know it's all the way along there, and afterwards you do the bottom and the top. That way you know it's 100% sealed in and coming out both sides.